Hello lovelies, welcome to another easy tutorial. This flower for buttons is so easy to crochet and looks so pretty. For this you need cotton yarn or acrylic yarn, 2.5 minute hook. First, make a slip knot. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. Six chains. Into the first chain, insert the hook and make a slip stitch. Now make 3 chains. Continue with 3 double crochet. Yarn over once and insert hook into chain loop. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Repeat same. Repeat one more time. Now chain 3. Make a slip stitch. 1 petal is done. Now continue in same pattern 4 more times. At the end, we have 5 petals. Adjust the yarn by pulling together. Now take the second color of yarn and make a slip stitch. Pull the yarn tightly and make 3 chains. From here you can cut the white yarn. Now make half double crochet in double crochet stitch. For half double crochet, yarn over once and pull through all loops in once. Now make 3 chains and slip stitch. Repeat same pattern all around. Pull the yarn and cut it. The flower is completed. Make flowers according to your shirt button numbers. Now secure the tail and cut extra yarns. Hope you guys enjoy the tutorial. Do like and subscribe for more free tutorials.